How's it going? Adam Drake here, and today I want to share some information on a carburetor repair kit that we have available through the Drake Racing. So we've had the carburetor repair kit for a number of years. Basically comes with a carb boot for a 21J, all the O-rings to replace idle screw, high speed, low speed, and mid speed O-rings, and also the washers for the high speed assembly, so the brass housing. And now there is a second option for this kit that comes with the tools to help make it easier to install the O-rings. So in the past, you would have to take an X-Acto knife, kind of cut or pull the O-rings off the needles, and then figure out how to kind of stretch it over the head of the needle. And in some cases, you would damage the O-ring. So now from OS, we have the carb kit that comes with a normal, everything that comes with the carb kit, but also a set of these tools for the idle, high speed, low speed, and mid speed needles. It makes it super simple to install the O-rings. So if you ever have a high speed needle, or for any of the needles for that matter, where either you think the needle is moving, or sometimes over time it'll get really dried out and it'll get really sticky, and you want to change and refresh those O-rings, we now have kits that come with the tools to make the installation much easier.